Hi dears, good morning. How are you? Fine? Okay. Do you know me? Do you know me? Yes, I am your Hindi teacher. Yes? We will start our class. Yeah, where we reached in last class? Where we reached this chapter, second chapter. Everyone read in your home this chapter. Are you read now? Are you ready to read now? Fastly reading. How many of you know? Yes, very good. And after we studied this also, not this full. Some words are given no on the board. That full words and meaning you studied. Yes, very good children. Okay. Then after we are going to study this textbook have some exercises. Abhyas karya. We will start. Okay. The first one. चित्रों के नाम से चित्रों के नाम से मिलाओ. चित्रों के नाम से मिलाओ. What is that? Here have some pictures. You want to match the words. Pictures and that words also here. You want to match it. Ready? Yes. First one, this picture name can I write here? Okay. Carrot. The second picture is tomato, hand. And next one is drum. Okay, here I write tabla, हाथ, गाजर, टमाटर. This full word we studied, no? Already we studied. All of you know this matching. Are you ready in this match? Yes. What do you mean by carrot? Carrot halwa. We studied that chapter, no? Carrot halwa. Yes, carrot means gajar. Hindi say carrot, gajar. This one next, tomato. Tomato Hindi word is tamatar. Then hand. What will say in this hand Hindi? Haath. Then drum. Drum Hindi word is tabla. Can you read this? Carrot, gajar, tomato, tamatar, hand, haath, drum, tabla. Once more, carrot, gajar, tomato, tamatar, hand, haath, drum, tabla. All of you understood? If you get your textbook means you can do these works, okay? In textbook. You didn't get textbook means you can write in your notebook. Copy this one. This one copy in your notebook. Are you ready? Yes. Then next question is here. This is not a question, simply reading parts. Some words are here. I will write here these words. First one is jal. Here have any symbol? Did you see any symbol here? No. Jal. No symbol. Without symbol, one word is this one. The next one is jal. Now you can see any symbol here? Yes, here have a symbol. Here have a symbol. Jal. Next, jala. Now you have any symbol? Did you see here? Any symbol? Two symbol did you see here? Jala. What is this? Jala. Now you understood how we can put symbols. Here without symbol, here one symbol, here two symbol. Jal, Jal, Jala. Understood? Jal, Jal, Jala. Understood? No? Next one is Kal. Did you see any symbol here? No. Then here one symbol. Kal. Next one. Kala. Jal, Jal, Jala. Kal, Kal, Kala. Next word is Bal. How can write the next word? Yes, very good. Bal, Bala. Understood? Yes, this is very simple, no? The next one is Nal, Nal, Nala. Then Baj, Baj, Baja. Did you know these words? Simply reading only need. Okay, no need to study and writing. Simply reading. You want to understood these symbols. Jal, Jal, Jala. Without symbol word, one symbol word, two symbol words. Jal, Jal, Jala. Kal, Kal, Kala. Bal, Bal, Bala. Nal, Nal, Nala. Understood? Baj, Baj, Baja. Can you make like this more words? Okay. Then textbook, next page. This simply reading. After that take next page. Here have some work. Chitra pure karo or rang baro. Complete the picture and color it. Complete the picture and color it. How can you do this one? You will get a book, means you can do in your textbook. Okay. The next work is one poem is there. 4-line poem. This also simply reading. Are you ready? Ready for reading? Yes. I will read. Raja Aya Chata Laya. I will write on the board. Then you can read clearly. Raja Aya Chata Laya. The next one. Badal Aya Chata Bhaya. Then Jal Barkar Sab Barsaya. Raja Raja Chata Baya. This poem simply reading only. Okay, no need to study and all. Raja Aya Chata Laya. Understood? Raja Aya Chata Laya. Here have more symbols. Can you identify these symbols? Yes. Raja Aya Chata Laya. Badal Aya Chata Baya. Jal Barkar Sab Barsaya. Raja Raja Chata Baya. राजा आया छाता लाया, बादल आया छाता बाया, जल भरकर सब बरसाया, राजा राजा छाता बाया. Understood? All of you understood this rhyme? Okay, this is simply reading only needed. No need to study and all. Okay? Now you studied a symbol. A symbol, second chapter you studied, full studied. Study no? Second chapter A ki symbol, A matra. Study no? Yes. Yes. Then after I will give some works. How can write? Can you say? K plus A. What is the answer? T plus A. Ch plus A. P plus A. What is this answer? We studied already in first chapter. Symbols. A symbol put and write. What is the answer? K plus A is equal to Ka. T plus A is equal to Ta. Ch plus A is equal to Cha. P plus A is equal to Pa. Now understood? Yes. Then after we are going to start chapter 3. Are you ready? Yes, understood no these? Chapter 3. A symbol we studied. What is the next? What is the next? A after E. E ki matra. Next chapter is E ki matra. How we can write E matra? Anybody know? How we can write E ki matra? E. E symbol is like this. Understood? This is E symbol like our English letter F. E. Okay. E ki matra. E ki matra. Can you write this answer? K plus E is equal to, what is the answer? K plus E is equal to ki. This is E symbol. Okay, E symbol. Then after T plus E is equal to, say the answer. T plus E is equal to T. Then after P plus E is equal to P. Then Ch plus E is equal to Chi. Understood? I will give some work is here. You can write in your notebook. Ready? Yes. T plus E is equal to dash. You write the answer here. Then N plus E is equal to dash. Then G plus E is equal to dash. J plus E is equal to dash. Okay? This answer write in your notebook. Are you ready? This E symbol all of you understood? Understood these symbols? E symbol, A symbol you studied. Now we are studied E symbol. Okay? I am going to stop my class. Next class we will continue. Ready? Okay, bye. See you later.